In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December gold futures contract, which hit its lowest level in 9 sessions today and is setting up for its lowest close in 10 sessions. Gold has now declined in 3 of the last 4 sessions. And since reaching its spike high on August 8th, it has dropped by more than 4.25%. The high today was 34.2380, which was up by 0.45%, and the low today was 33.7550, which was down by 0.96%. With a little bit of time left in the future session, gold is still down about 0.77%. With one trading day left, gold is also set to post its first down week in the last 3. It's currently down 3.13%. PPI was released this morning and it was strong, and markets are projecting the strong figure on inflation expectations. Wholesale prices jumped 0.9% in July, the fastest pace in 3 years, and also well above expectations. A strong PPI gain could mean higher consumer inflation. Research does show a positive correlation between past PPI inflation and future CPI inflation of around 0.3 to 0.46 of positive correlation. And it's also about 7 months ahead of CPI, indicating PPI contains some predictive power or information for CPI. However, this relationship has weakened since the 1980s. That means today's data may mean an uptick in CPI in the coming 6 to 8 months, or it may not. And you might think, well, gold would rally if the implication that inflation was coming was actually a real thing. But the market implied probability of a September rate cut has declined to 90% from nearly 95% yesterday. Now, while this shows that the market still thinks there's a high probability of a rate cut, if there's any indication that the Fed may side with PPI signaling some latent inflation and subsequently delays a September rate cut, or even worse for the price of gold, turns to hiking rates as the next probable move at some point in the future, then gold will suffer. Gold is an inflation hedge, but only when the Fed is not fighting inflation with higher short-term rates. Otherwise, gold is not a very good inflation hedge, and history backs that up, which is why you're seeing some gold selling today despite the stronger PPI, which again might or might not imply inflation.